kind of, you know. Hey guys, it's Ansley the Spirit Chick, and welcome back for another video. This is a powerful video I've really been wanting to work on, so I'm super stoked to do this video for you guys. So we're going to cover the 3 main areas for channeling your inner god or goddess and create self-love, happiness, and confidence in everything you do. So we're going to talk about the 3 main things that you need to know about welcoming this energy in and how you can do this in everyday life. Let's get started! So first and foremost, what is self-love? Self-love in the simplest terms is embracing and understanding and showing compassion for yourself. It's nurturing your entire being, mind, body, and spirit. It's forgiving ourselves and accepting our flaws and embracing our inner demons. It's something that everybody talks about, but many people lack and many people don't necessarily try to get into. But it honestly influences everything in our life. It influences who we choose to love, the people we allow into our life and how we let them treat us, how we treat other people, how we portray ourselves in everyday life. And so when we talk about a god or a goddess, what do we picture? The way I see a goddess is someone who loves herself entirely, someone who's tuned into herself and knows who she is and doesn't let anybody tell her otherwise. She's full of strength and creativity and nurturing. She's a leader. She's a lover. She's kind. People look up to her. She's a natural beauty, and that's not physical. It's on the inside. She's naturally beautiful, and when she enters a room, she lifts the energy of everybody else, and she makes people want to do better for themselves. Now take your image of what this god and goddess is and picture it in your mind. What do you need to do to channel these energies within yourself? There's 3 main parts to it. And we're going to talk about mind, body, and spirit, and how you can help to align with those energies of the god or goddess that you imagined and channel them through you. The first one I want to talk about is the mind. Now the mind is what usually makes us question everything about ourselves. It makes us, compare ourselves to others. It makes us think negatively. It makes us stress and have anxiety and all these horrible problems. But our mind is so powerful and it's capable of so much. And if it's capable of making us feel all this anxiety, then it's capable of creating all this beautiful love and positive energy around us. It's all about shifting our perspective. So in order to heal the mind and get yourself aligned with the energy of the god or the goddess, a good thing to do is morning affirmations. This is something that completely shifted my perspective and my reality when I was really low and depressed. Studies have shown that giving yourself affirmations before you give a big speech about your best qualities and how you're going to succeed and how you're going to do it easily have calmed nerves and increased confidence and helped people perform better. It's also been proven that offering yourself daily affirmations has decreased stress in stressful situations and helps you to feel more calm and balanced. There's some really cool apps out there that offer you morning affirmations where you can set a timer for them to go off when you wake up, so you wake up to that notification on your phone that reminds you that you are worthy, you are powerful, you're going to have a good day, whatever it is. Some really good ones that are so simple to remind yourself is, I am doing my best and that's enough. I am beautiful no matter what I look like. I release all the ways that I feel stressed. I embrace gratitude and love and happiness into my life. And there's so many more, guys. All you have to do is a quick Google search or get any apps. They're all free, the ones that I've used. And it's so easy, just reminding yourself of 1 affirmation a day. Read what they say and feel it. We always talk about how intention is everything. And so if you intend to release all this negative energy for you and you intend to love yourself, you're going to do that because that's how energy works. You guys are powerful and capable of doing this. And so the first step to that is changing your thought process, being conscious of the thoughts that you have and shifting them with affirmations, allowing yourself to understand why bad things have happened and how they have helped to make you who you are today. Catch yourself, understand why you're having that, shift your reality and let that thought go. Also work on putting your mindset in the best possible environment for attracting what you love and what you want into your life. Instead of focusing on, oh, I have to go to work today, ugh, I have to do this today, think of it more positive. This is going to help me achieve my goals. This will help me have more money in my life so I can travel more and I can do the things that I love more. I can work towards my passions more. Shifting reality is so powerful and it's so easy. We just have to become consciously aware of the thoughts that we're having and not just let them flow like we're on autopilot and we're not going to prevent them from happening. Another way to stimulate the mind in a positive way is read inspiring books. Read books that make you think in positive ways, that, perhaps question life. Meditation, yoga, healing books, spiritual healing books, even books about affirmations. There's so many different books. Instead of just scrolling on your phone all the time and having all that negative energy thrown in your face from social media, put the phone down and find a book to delve into. And not only will this help you learn and expand your mind, but you can read very inspiring things that can help to shift your reality and your perspective about life, help you to have a more fulfilling life where you love yourself more and you accomplish so much more. The next one is body. There's so many different ways that you can really help to create self-love within your body. Being consciously aware of what we're eating is really important. Eating foods that give you energy, that make you feel good, that don't bring you down, don't make you tired is really important, because as I always say, your body is a temple, so fuel it with best possible foods possible. Don't let your body become a garbage disposal. Healthy foods are very high vibrational, and so eating low, stagnant, kind of dead foods is not going to help you at all with aligning to your purpose. You'll feel better about yourself, and you'll probably feel better about the way you look, and that's all the recipe for self-love. The next one is get moving, get active, whether that's doing yoga or exercising or dancing, whatever it is. Get your body moving. That will help the energy get flowing. It'll help you feel a lot better. Dancing and getting exercising helps you to channel divine energy and can help you to awaken that goddess energy within you, especially going outside and doing it within nature, where you'll feel grounded and more energized overall. Look at your body and tell yourself how beautiful you are. It doesn't matter what you look like. It doesn't matter how big or small you are. It doesn't matter if you have acne or not. What matters is telling yourself how beautiful you are, because your reality and your being becomes the result of what you tell yourself and what you allow yourself to accept as true. If you're constantly putting yourself down, oh, I wish I looked like her, I could never wear that with this body. Instead, love who you are now and love yourself as you grow to work on who you wish to be. Tell yourself how much you like your smile or your eyes or your hair or, your skin, whatever it is. Compliment yourself. Do it as many times as it takes in order to believe it. A goddess doesn't hate herself. A goddess doesn't critique herself. A goddess loves herself for everything that she is, even where others may see flaws. And that's what makes a goddess so powerful, is because she doesn't care what others think. She's confident in who she is, and she knows she's beautiful, and she knows she doesn't need anyone else to tell her. So learn to channel that goddess energy and remind yourself every single day with a compliment of how beautiful you are in different ways. And lastly, the soul. As we grow up, we often forget the things that we love, the things that, made us happy. And a lot of our passions go away as we get to adult life, where we have to pay the bills and we have to go to work all the time and we're having kids and we just don't feel we have time for these things. But a goddess always makes time for the things she loves. A goddess will create time to do the things that ignites her soul. Ask yourself, how can you make your soul happy? How can you fulfill your soul's purpose? What are your deepest desires? Who are you on the inside? You can really connect with yourself if you take time to be with yourself. So it's important to do inner healing and find gratitude and release things from your soul that are negative. If you need guidance, reach out to other people that inspire you. Surround yourself with people that inspire you and motivate you and make you feel beautiful and make you feel happy and make you want to pursue your desires and want to pursue the things that make you happy and do the things that make you happy. A good thing to do would be doing inner healing, so like meditation, yoga, Reiki. Surround yourself with people who are going to raise your vibration and help you to feel inspired to work on your soul's desires and goals. Go on adventures every day, even if it's just walking somewhere that you haven't been before. See the world. Do things that lift your soul up. Work on your passions every day. You do have time if you make time for it. And that's key to finding self-love. You can never love yourself and be happy in your life if you don't make time to do the things you love. Don't limit yourself. Don't tell yourself you can't do it. Don't tell yourself you'll do it tomorrow. Do it now. Make time now. If you have time to have a shower today, if you have time to brush your teeth, you have time to wait in line at Starbucks for 5 minutes before work, You will have time to make 5 minutes to do this every day. And if self-love is a priority to you, you will make time. Even if that means getting up earlier or staying up later, you will make time for it. Remember, as a goddess or a god, you're stepping into an energy area where you're open to receiving all that you deserve, and that's going to be love, abundance, joy, happiness, new opportunities, and you need to be awake and aware for these things that are coming into your life, because this raises your vibration and it's going to bring in a lot of things you desire and what you wish to bring into your life. So you need to be consciously aware and open to these energies coming to you. You are divine energy, you are free, you can do as you wish, and incorporating these things into your life are going to be so helpful. And in order to embrace self-love, you need to be self-love. Mind, body, and soul. If you work on those every single day, in one way or another, you're going to see drastic results in the energy in your life, the things you desire coming into your life, your passions and energy and happiness growing. You just have to make time for it. And life's too short for negative energy. We need to be happy and living our best life. But guys, that is my video today. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, I will be doing more of these videos. This is just video 1, so don't worry. I know we didn't talk about everything, but we will. Just give it time. But for now, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you felt the positive energy that I did throughout this video. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!